big lion to me fight David. Yes, and that's how big with Monster Tom. No, big Monster Tom. And but big Monster Tom very big.
Yeah?
Yes, like this big.
Okay.
Yes.
And what else?
And that's they on this big.
Yeah, we've established that it was big. What else, though?
Big the monster.
Oh, no. And then what?
And the monster, the big this high monster big. And it must hit a sword.
Wow.
And I have a sword and I beat the monster up.
You did?
Yeah, like this. Like this tiny sword.
With that sword?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
Like this.
That's good. Is that the end of the story?
Hi.
But now you have to say the end.
Yeah.
Come here. Say the end.
The
Great story.